Well, UPS just showed up and dropped off a package. I've been waiting a while. I think I ordered this back in July. I'm very excited to open it and get it put together. So let's do that. See what it looks like. I know there's a lot of other people excited out there that probably have gotten them or will be getting them very soon. And it is a new Woodman Arms, 45 caliber, Carbine, Northwoods Whitetails model. I ordered the forest camo, very sharp. It's very pretty. You can there's not very many muzzleloaders or little guns for that matter that you get in a wood stock anymore, so that's kind of nice. I got a peep, and I don't know if I'll stay with the peep, or I'm kind of mulling over some scope options now. Haven't really decided yet. I got some time to decide. Comes with a nice Woodman arm sticker. Oh baby, that's short. Very nice. Very nice. Pull that out of there. That lined up. Push this through. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Maybe I should have read the instructions, eh? I'm gonna do that. Let's see here. Let's see. Hold on just a second. Let me grab a pencil or something. like the look of this thing. This is gonna be real handy in the woods. Short, fast. I think she's gonna be a deer killer. I do believe. Maybe that makes more sense. That makes more sense. There should be. With this, all this stuff in the box. This. Set this aside. This down. Yes. This down on the table here. So yeah, there she be. That's Northwoods whitetail model, number 56. I'm really excited to get it tuned in and be able to use it this fall. I know I've had great luck with my other 45 caliber Woodman. Shot some deer with it now. It's been flawless. So I can only imagine this short carbine model is really, you know, it's gonna be really nice. So I'm gonna thank all the guys at Woodman for getting them made up, and I want to thank Joey and Travis and Jamie and the rest of the gang at Northwoods Whitetails, because this is gonna be a hell of a deer hunter's gun. So I would encourage anybody to get their hands on one. So yep. So I'll get the peat put on it, and for now, like I said, I'm kind of toying with some different scope options. Really haven't decided what I want to do, but we got all summer to decide. So, and I hope the rest of you guys that ordered them and are getting them in the mail in the next few days are as excited as I am, because I'm very excited. It was well worth the wait. But if you do want one, you know, it's not an instant thing. So if you do want one, I'd get your order in now. So, but well, again, we'll end it there. But I'm really excited to give her a try. So thanks again, everybody.